So we're here at the shop. Got the GS300 on the lift. It looks...
Cut. You gotta have some enthusiasm, yeah.
Hi, guys. Is this more enthusiasm for you? We're pulling the... We're yanking it. We're cranking it. DJ spanking it.
Oh! Alright, anyways. Restart the video. This is terrible.
Cut.
What's going on, guys? Today we are pulling this junk motor out of here. I don't know, it might be good.
It's good.
We'll find out. This guy proclaims it is good.
I bought it from the homie with the extra chromie.
If the motor's anything like this pulley, it's bad.
I don't like your attitude.
Okay. What all we gotta do, we got motor mounts, trans, cross member, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is already disconnected, so I believe we should get started.
Yeah, let's get to it. So, got the diff out, still working on getting the rest of the car parted out. Drive shaft's hanging. We're going to probably leave the axles. They're pretty rough. Maybe, who knows. Excuse me. We're going to go ahead and get the calipers off of it. And I think that's all we're going to get from the rear. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to prep to pull the motor. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of. We're going to pull the motor. I really don't think there's anything left off of this that, you know, was really worth anything. So, let's get back to it. So what's the plan?
We gotta get that window.
We gotta get that window now,
so we can use the lift to pick up the top of the car. So then we can back the trailer in here and set the car on the trailer. But if we do it with the lift where it's at now, it's not gonna work. So we're gonna attempt to butt this window out. God damn.
Did you?
I fucking missed.
No, I think you hit it.
No, I didn't.
Are you sure?
Round two.
Dude, she's
not want to move. Not in the fuck.
I would have done it.
Right here. One day, okay, I was never good at like jousting.
Jousting? You gotta run up. You gotta give it the run up, man.
Oh my god. Am I ever gonna hit this window? Alright, I'm sick of trying to fucking like beat it through there. That actually did not make that much of a mess.
Not as bad. R.I.P.
So, can we get these tinted now?
They're already tinted. That's why I didn't make a mess. Look.
That's laminated already, dog. So, how many tries was that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th one was it. Alright, so now we gotta fucking get some jack stands under here, set it down, and then, yeah.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna get away with it. Oh, the doo-dah day. We're gonna have to roll it forward. Hey, guys, make sure we don't fuck up this interior. This customer wants his car back by this afternoon.
Okay.
Oh, it was wood grain.
You know the shitty part about this?
What?
Is we gotta unload the truck.
We can just roll it off.
I know.
That's easy.
And we gotta play fucking musical cars to get the trailer in here.
Hey, bro, I think we're
We got one part of the process done.
Hey, OSHA, I think we got it taken care of. Dude, Kevin's gonna come over here and be like, I don't think that's
You're gonna let out now.
And you were worried about code violations.
I mean, we're doing OSHA code violations.
We're not under the car.
Yeah.
The trailer's fine.
We're about to be.
Well, it's in here. Thanks to the help of the goons. Oh, let me go ahead and grab the wheels off it real quick.
Woo!
Might not know is we're doing the first BMW engine swap into a GS300 and with the manual swap. Know what I'm saying? Look how easy this thing slides in. It's not sitting in there straight, guys.
It's a BMW motor.
It's supposed to slant the other way, isn't it?
Nah. You can choose
Kind-
options. Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm still recording.
Just bleep out wiener. Kind of how you're. Beep.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
I think it's in there
Alright,
great
I'm
now.
gonna swing it. We're gonna swing it back and forth. And as soon as it flies in there, I'm gonna drop it.
Just make sure I keep my hands in a secure location. I'm gonna kick it.
You get right here. Both of y'all get right here.
No, I'm about to kick the fuck out of it.
Okay.
You're just gonna slam it.
Bro, that is in there. We could start this thing up tonight. So there you have it. It's a BMW swapped manual GS300. It needs new shifter bushings. It's got some tap damage from drifting. Crimson Tide, Rotide, for all my weird people out there. Yeah. 6K OBO, I know what I have. It even comes with Mustang GT fenders, 4.6 intake. You know, comes with dual radiators, man. This thing's ready to go. Got you an extra oil pan in there. Big brakes. What do you think, Koshi?
I think it's beautiful.
What do you think, Damien? Well, we got this thing loaded up, all strapped down, ready to go to the scrapyard in the morning. We got the BMW swap in there. Picked up this super sweet single cam KAT build that we're finishing for another shop. Kind of rowdy. I can't wait to see it finished. And yeah, hopefully gonna have this buttoned up. We got a long laundry list of stuff to do. I gotta make the list for it tomorrow. Go over with the customer. Yeah. So if you guys need anything done, Nissan related, Toyota, any of your import stuff in our local area, hit us up. We know a thing or two because unfortunately we've had to do a thing or two. That being said, we hope you have a wonderful day. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, especially what we did today, because if OSHA knew what we did, we'd be in so much trouble. But again, we want to thank you guys. Like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell all of them. But also tell them that the cow sent you. So be safe out there, guys. Peace.